Hello, just want to share this to you, this information. Once your speaker, this is a Bose Sounding Max. If it's not turning on, or if it is turned on but you didn't see any light indicator here, and still you can use, uh, that state is having software update available. So you have to always check the application, because there's a running update once you connected it to the application. If you go to settings and product update, as you can see, the update is transferring, and then after update it will work again as normal. This product update will not initiate once it's not connected to the Bose application, which is the Bose Music apps. So always connect
speaker not found.
You always check your speaker that must be connected to the application, Bose application. Bose application is here. Once you open it, you have to add the product. Add product, this one. If your product's not yet connected, you have to add. So my product's already connected, and check at the background here. There's an update portion. You can check it here. It says here you can continue using your product and device normally. We'll let you know when the update is ready to install. Make sure your product stays connected to this device and keep the application running and the background is okay. That's what I am saying. You need the application. It could take up to 25 minutes to be ready. If you disconnect your product, the transfer will pause, and it will continue the next time you connect your product to this device. So maybe someone, actually most of us doesn't know this, and they're thinking that their speaker is faulty or having an issue. 90%. The latest version now is 8.2.16. If there is an issue, you cannot update it through computer, because if I attach to the computer, let me double check. Okay, it says this product is up to date, so meaning you cannot update through computer if having an issue like that. So install update, install. Now you see we got the power now visible, and let us check here now the product update, and it says here our product is up to date. And of course we got indicator here. I'm gonna turn it off, turn it on. Yes, the speaker now is working normally. Connected. Let us check back the update. Okay, product is now up to date. Okay guys, hope you learned something on this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us.